This is a 2022 BMW K1600 Grand America. This is one incredible touring bike. It's equipped with a 6-cylinder 1600cc engine, pumping out a little over 160 horsepower and about 125-26 foot-pounds of torque. So not only is this a great touring bike, but it is a little rocket ship. You can go out and rip the Twisties with the best of them on this bike, or go cross country. Now this bike is in like new condition. It has 3,895 original miles on the odometer. We just had it checked out up at BMW in Kansas City. There are no open recalls. All the updates are done. Doesn't need any service for another 6,000 miles. It's ready to rock and roll. Being a BMW, of course, it's loaded with all kinds of features from the factory. You got a huge, comfortable seat for you and your passenger with dual heat controls. Great stereo system. There's speakers mounted in the tour pack on each side, plus speakers up in the front. And you can Bluetooth your tunes into it, Sirius XM radio, AM, FM, weather band, whatever you need. Now it has a little over 7-gallon capacity on the fuel tank, and a really nice looking aircraft style fuel door. Heated grips, adjustable levers, hydraulic clutch, ABS brakes, traction control, dynamic stability. It's a BMW. I mean, it has just about everything you can think of. Great big digital display, info center, and you can actually Bluetooth your GPS from your phone into the screen, so you don't have to add an external device for a GPS. Has an electric windshield, and once you get it set to where you like it, when you turn off the bike, it automatically retracts, and then when you start the bike, it goes back to the same position you left it at, so you don't have to fiddle with it again. It just automatically does it for you. Now it has hill start control, so if you're on a hill, you can press the front brake, hold it, let it go, and it'll hold the bike. So when it's time to go, you don't have to sit there and feather the clutch, hold the brake, hit the gas. You can just go. Big clamshell lockable saddlebags for your gear. Nice big tour pack. And one of the great things about these BMW Grand Americas, they have a lot of lighting on them. LED lights on the saddlebags, on the tour pack. So you have a lot of visibility from the rear. Big LED headlights on the front that are adaptive. So they'll go around, when you go around the corner, they will adjust to the curve. Nice black custom wheels, driving lights. It's got foot pegs, and at the same time it has the floorboards, which are basically highway pegs, and then underneath the floorboard is the engine guard. Now this bike has quick shift, just like a race bike. Once you put the throttle on, just hold it, shift up through the gears. You can do it without the clutch. And once you get the hang of it, it's very, very, very smooth and quick. These are just incredible bikes. I've ridden one of these back and forth to Sturgis, and it's just an incredible machine. It'll cruise all day at 100 miles an hour for you. And then when you hit the twisties, just hold on. Nice big info screen. Well, if you're in the market for a touring bike, take a really good look at this 22 BMW K1600 Grand American. This is just an incredible machine, loaded with all the options you would ever want. Comfortable, fast, handles incredible. You know, it's a BMW. Now, for information on how to put this beauty in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Now our prices are out the door. I don't charge any mystery fees. There's no dock fees, title fees, setup fees, none of that hooey. Just a good honest price for a great low mileage BMW Grand America. Give us a call. Thank you for watching our video.